Okay, we have a duck that has a hook in his mouth.
We're gonna try to help this duck out. Looks like he's hung up on a fishing hook here.
He's definitely hung up on a fish.
Don't know how long he's been hung up, but he's hung up.
Easy, buddy.
You might be able to just snap the hook, brother.
Take it easy. Easy, buddy. Easy. Got him?
I got him.
It's easy, buddy. Easy, easy, easy.
Yeah,
Easy.
be careful, brother. Be careful.
He's all right. He knows I'm helping him. Easy, easy. I'm just gonna try and cut the hook.
Yeah, just cut it and then you can probably pull it out the other way. Well, it's a hook. They're tough.
Made out of.
Easy, baby, easy. Easy. We'll get you out of this. Yeah, we're gonna get you out of this.
Yeah, it's a gold hook.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay. Here you go, Ellis.
Duck saved from a hook.
Ellis, I just saved the duck from a hook.